Today, we're diving into the world of versatile cooking with the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus, a powerhouse appliance that combines air frying, baking, dehydrating, rotisserie, and roasting all in one sleek unit. With its rapid air heating elements, you can cook faster and more evenly without the need to preheat like traditional ovens, making meal prep a breeze. This air fryer is designed for healthy cooking, allowing you to create delicious meals using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The user-friendly capacitive touch control screen offers 17 preset options, ensuring anyone can whip up perfect meals in minutes. With an extra-large 10-liter capacity, it's perfect for family-sized meals or meal prepping, and the large Easy View window with interior lights lets you monitor your food's progress effortlessly. Cleanup is a snap with the removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts, and with CETL approval and advanced safety technology, you can trust in its long-lasting durability. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Chefman Air Fryer Plus is your ticket to culinary success. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.